Morning, fans. Tonight we're going to draw the Embrace Pokemon Gardevoir. One of the most popular Pokemon from the series. Gardevoir first appeared in Pokemon in Advanced. You know, the Ruby and Sapphire series. It was kind of amazing how Gardevoir got his first appearance. On, well, Pokemon Black and White's Adventures in Unova. That was the first time we saw Gardevoir. Well, the first time I saw Gardevoir. Another time was when I saw her in the Kalos region, and it was revealed that Gardevoir now has a Mega Evolved state. That was the second Mega Evolved form that I saw in the series. As you have noticed, its types are Psychic and Fairy. It has the power to predict the future. Its power peaks when it's protecting its trainer. To protect its trainer, it will expand all of its psychic power to create a small black hole. And another thing about Gardevoir is that, well, when she and its partner are in sync, they can break their limits. I saw it once in Pokemon XYZ. You probably already know this. I feel like Gardevoir has Ultra Instinct. Isn't that an interesting feature? I mean, it would be amazing if we found out this Pokemon has the hidden potential of the gods. The highest gods. Gardevoir with Ultra Instinct. That is so interesting. That'd be something worth telling me about. That'd be something worth telling you about. Let me just make the arm longer. There we are. There we are. And there we go. Oh yeah, one more thing. Just gotta draw this one last piece here. And there we go. That is how you draw Gardevoir.